check it out here. So this is the OCO bracket to open a position. So you got your buy, which is the green one. So we can set where we want to buy it at, a limit order. We can set the stop limit order, which would always be above our buy price to get out. You know, that's our target. And then we can set our stop loss all at the same time.
I
So
mean, especially for somebody like me, who when I am in the office, I am stuck. There is no looking at ThinkorSwim. I am just, because there's just no way I can do it. This is so integral to the whole thing. Because I literally sat and I had a full green screen today, Tuesday. And then yesterday and today, I'm looking at it going, what the heck happened? You know, because I'm stuck with these things. And I'm like, I'm not letting go, because I'm in it. I bought it. It looked good at one day. It looks like crap the next. And I'm holding on to it. It may be in my will for my kids. I don't know. We'll see how this plays out. But I am not letting this thing go. But this is really good. This is really cool, guys. Thank you so much.
No problem. So yes, ma'am. So OC, you can set these at night. You can set these at night. So if I wanted to, I can set this, you know, I'd put like maybe the buy limit order at like 283, you know, something like that. And then let's say I wanted to get out at 446. So I would set my stop limit to 446. And then let's say I wanted to put my stop loss below the signal candle, you know, we'll say like 208. I would just confirm and send. Oh, I didn't go through. But it would basically, if this was my real account, it would go through and then put it a little marker that I put the order in.
Right.
You can set these at night, and then the next day, if price confirms and it continues to go, you will get filled at that buy limit order.
Pretty cool. Pretty cool.
Yeah, I'm too impatient for the buy limit. I mean, I've tried it, but I always like, oh, I'm missing out on money, and then I feel like I buy at that moment when I probably should have waited.
Right. Yeah. I mean, yeah, it boils down to your style. Like for her, that would definitely be best. I mean, for us, we're a little bit more aggressive, right? We're watching it through the day. Our jobs allow us to do it, so we get in.
Yeah, we get in.
We just get in.
Keisha, that's the best way to trade the hot list, right? Once you see the chart you like on the hot list and you know it needs confirmation, so just put it a little bit higher than what it is, right? Just kind of estimating, or you can even ask in the chat and we'll help you kind of set a price where you can set it at, and then just leave it, go to work, and then if it went up, you probably bought the stock, and then it's probably rising. But if it didn't go up, then that trade was not for you and you don't lose anything.
Absolutely.
Right. You see, I didn't know I could even set it up the night before. So what I would do is, like, you know, my phone starts buzzing when the hot list comes out, like in maybe the night before, and I'm like, okay, fine, I'll see it in the morning. Then I religiously at 5 o'clock, my phone starts buzzing, and I know you guys are at it.
Sorry.
And I'll try to get up a little early here. I try to get up a little earlier and set what I need to set, because I know how I think they'll do it for the day. I guess I should look into changing that. But they'll do it for the day and then I'll go. But during the day, my phone's buzzing, but I'm sitting in a conference somewhere and I can't get to it.
Right.
You know, and then by the time I get off, guess what? The market's closed and they don't let me sell anything after hours. Right. So now I'm stuck with it till the next day, you know, which doesn't work for me. But this should help.
Absolutely.
Yeah, definitely.
Absolutely.